Hi everybody, this is ATEEQ. I once again welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. My dear students, my dear aspirants of NPTEL, in my today's session, let me discuss with all of you NPTEL important dates for this July to December 2023 courses. In case if you have missed the last January to April 2023 NPTEL session, then this is the second option for you, the second chance that you can apply for this July to December 2023 courses. Okay, so here in my today's session, I will be discussing with all of you the enrollment date of NPTEL courses, the date at which the enrollment is going to end, okay, the exam registration dates and duration of the courses. Each and everything I am going to discuss with all of you. So dear students, my dear aspirants of NPTEL, the first thing that you need to decide is the course duration. So it depends on your academic requirement, it depends on your personal availability of time. Okay, first of all you need to decide that. Okay, whether you are interested in a 4 weeks course, whether you are interested in a 8 weeks course, or whether you are interested in a 12 weeks course, that you need to decide first. Okay, let us say once you have decided this three things, that if 4 weeks, 8 weeks or 12 weeks, then the second thing that you people need to decide is whether you are interested to apply for the set 1 courses or whether you are interested to apply for the set 2 courses. Sir, what is the difference between set 1 and set 2 courses? Let me clarify to all of you in the next point. So here this is the start of course time. So for you can see here for the set 1 courses as well as a 12 weeks course, the starting of the course time is exactly the same. You can see here July 24th and July 24th. Okay, let us say if your schedule demands you to start your course little bit late, then you can opt for the set 2 courses. That is first major difference. Only difference is a little bit 1 month late. Set 1 courses as well as 12 weeks courses, they will begin 1 month early, whereas the set 2 courses they will begin a month late. That is the first thing that you need to see. Okay, and the second thing, what about the ending of the course? So the set 1 courses 4 weeks, it's going to end on August 18th, 8 weeks September 15th, and you can see 12 weeks October 13th. So why there is a 1 month gap here? Because in 4 weeks we are having only 1 month, 8 weeks 2 months, 12 weeks is approximately, here we are having 3 months time. So for that reason it is going to end on October 13. Whereas you can see the 4 weeks course and 8 weeks course of set 2 courses. So they will end on September 15th as well as 8 weeks it will end on October 13th. So this is the parameter. So you need to just perfectly slot your time, that in which time your schedule matches. So based on that you can select the course. This is the start of the course and end of the course criteria. And the next criteria is very important. What is that criteria? Exam dates. So you can see here 4 weeks, 8 weeks of set 1 courses will be conducted. The exam will be held on, you can see, September 24th of 2023. That is both forenoon and afternoon sessions. So 2 slots will be there. On the 2 slots exam will be conducted. Okay, that is only one date. Both these 4 weeks and 8 weeks courses, the aspirants who have applied for this, they need to write the exam on September 24th. Whereas if you have applied for a 12 weeks course or set 2 courses, you need to write the exam on these 2 days. That is October 28th as well as October 29th. So 2 days will be allotted here. And what about whether we have the exam on both the sessions? Yes, 2 sessions on each date. That is morning session and afternoon session. 9 a.m. to 12 noon, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So if we calculate all these sessions, how many sessions totally NPTEL exams, how many total exams will be conducted? Here 2 and here 4. So total 6 sessions will be there for the NPTEL exam. Okay, so you got one clarity that maximum you can write NPTEL exam. How many? 6 exams you can write for every semester. Here 2 exams maximum and here 4 exams maximum. Total 6. Okay. And the next thing, what about the enrollment of the course? Whether already it has started? Yes, my dear students, the enrollment of the NPTEL course has already started. So on May 22nd itself. So easily you can apply for this now. So if you are watching the video right now, you can apply for the, right now you can enroll for the NPTEL course. So the time has already started. So what about the closing times are when the enrollment is going to end? The enrollment is going to closed on July 31st, 2023 for this set 1 courses as well as 12 weeks course. So this is the time duration, July 31st. Okay, whereas for set 2 courses, that is 4 weeks and 8 weeks, the enrollment is going to end on August 21st, 2023, that is 5 p.m. So my dear students, so in case if you missed the set 1 and 12 weeks courses exam, let us say you are busy, let us say during that particular schedule, then you can opt for the set 2 courses. So the first thing that you people should understand is your availability of time. Based on that, next thing you need to decide is the duration of the course. Then you need to select the course that you are interested. Okay. And what about the exam registration? This is very important. Only enrollment will not help to you. Okay, you need to get the certificate first. In order to get the certificate, you need to qualify that particular exam in that particular course. So what about exam registration? Once the course enrollment is over, the next step is you need to register for the exam, and the time has already will begin on June 20. So we are having enough time. If you are watching the video now, okay, you are having the time. If you are having the time, see the date and you need to start registering for your exam, my dear NPTEL aspirants. So June 20 is the time. Okay, and next, when the exam registration is going to close? So the exam registration is going to close on August 18, 2023, 5 p.m. for set 1 courses as well as 12 weeks. Whereas for set 2 courses, the exam registration closes on September 15th, 2023, that is 5 p.m. Once this date has been completed, then you can no more register for the NPTEL exam. If you are unable to register for the exam, then there is no way that you can attend the exam and you will not get any certificate. You will not qualify and you will not get any certificate. So my dear students, this table is very, very important. So take the screenshot of this and keep it with all of with you, so that you can have clarity that when you need to enroll the course, whether you need to opt for set 1, whether you need to opt for set 2, or whether you need to select 12 weeks. Okay, and check your availability, that when you will be available on the exam registration date, whether you are free or whether you are busy with some other type of exam or not. Just check out and decide your course. So this is how you need to enroll for the NPTEL courses. So any types of queries, any types of doubts, you can simply put it in the comment section. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.